Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome in Hijaz News Update. I am Diaspora. The World Kashmir Awareness Forum, a Washington-based advocacy group, ran a digital advertising trucks at Washington to appreciate President Trump's statesmanship in diffusing tension between two nuclear countries in South Asia, India and Pakistan. The electronic screens on the truck carry messages such as, "With President Trump's intervention, hostilities cease. He deserves Nobel Prize for Peace. Kashmir problem requires final resolution. President Trump's major intervention talks on Kashmir should ensue. President Trump's thanks for raising the issue. Kashmir conflict should be heeded. Mediation of President Trump's is highly needed. Kashmiris condemn killings and yearn for tranquility. President Trump's urged parties to exhibit rationalities. Ceasefire without arresting Kashmir problem can't sustain. Pressure on India for negotiation should remain. Kashmir problem can lead to annihilation. Words demand President Trump's mediation. When Kashmir becomes nuclear flashpoint, it is no longer a bilateral issue but an international one." Dr. Ghulam Nabi 5, meet President World Kashmir Awareness Forum and Chairman Kashmiri Diaspora Coalition, said that 77 years of often bloody wars between two nuclear powers with burgeoning, mostly impoverished populations brought India and Pakistan to the brink of a nuclear Armageddon only a week ago. All that because of India occupation of Kashmir and Kashmiri unrelenting, yielding love for freedom. Dr. Mir added that the United States has always taken a principled stand to support their right to self-determination, and President Trump has become the latest champion of that cause. There is no reason for India to believe that permanent peace can be achieved with the barrel of the gun from either side. Dr. Imtiaz, Kashmiri American scholar, said that the current fracas between India and Pakistan, although pause, has not altogether terminated. If it was not for timely intervention by President Trump, the danger of full-fledged war between the two nuclear-armed neighbors with catastrophic outcome for the half of the world population could not be ruled out. It is very fortunate that we have Donald Trump as President of United States, a person with exemplary sagacity and nature of deal with intricate international problems with poise and aplomb. Dr. Khan added that the people of the region should profusely express their gratitude to President Trump, who played a predominant role in abating the skirmishes which otherwise could have led to unmitigated disaster. His insightful and discerning approach is exhibited by addressing the root cause of distrust and conflagration between the two neighbors. Protected and unsolved issue of Kashmir over the last more than 77 years, officials of two countries have interacted on hundreds of occasions with dismal outcome. It is abundantly clear without the intervention of the leader of the free world, this highly complex problem can't be resolved. President Trump has fathomed the situation and offered his good offices to mediate between the two countries who are at the brink of major conflict. It should be noted that jingoism and sabar rattling by India is increasing every day, and nightmarish situation can come too very soon unless utmost attention is paid to this issue. President Trump has suggested negotiation at a neutral venue, which is a plausible step, but also should include the genuine leadership of occupied Kashmir. Time and again, Kashmiri activists and leaders have warned international community of a potential nuclear scourge in the region if the problem is left unattended by UN resolution or not implemented. Unfortunately, it has fallen on deaf ear, and there has been total inaction against India's belligerent and non-cooperative attitude. With President Trump's hope for Kashmiri has been rekindled, and aspiration to breathe in their land free of occupation has revived, Dr. Khan warned. Dr. Ghulam Nabi 5, Chairman World Forum for Peace and Justice, appreciated the assiduous effort President Donald J. Trump in preventing the conflagration between the two nuclear-armed neighbors, India and Pakistan, by brokering the timely ceasefire. Without his statesmanship, millions of people would have been devoured by war, and coming generation would have suffered from the consequences of nuclear holocaust. Dr. Fai added that the people of Kashmir have lofty expectations from President Trump. It is their firm conviction that his sagacious leadership, astute approach to the world problems, unwavering commitment to peace and protective problem of Kashmir will find a just, amicable and equitable resolution. The resolution of the Kashmir dispute will bring unparalleled honor to the one who helped to achieve it. The honor could be yours, Mr. President. Sardar Zarif Khan, advisor to the President of Azad Kashmir, said that the recent conflict between the India and Pakistan, though short-lived, highlighted the ongoing tension between the two nations, particularly over Kashmir. However, However, the intervention of President Trump is a significant step towards de-escalation and peace in the region. We hope this ceasefire will pave the way of lasting dialogue and improve relations. Sardar Zarif added that the ceasefire agreement brokered by the United States offers much needed opportunity to reduce tension and prevent further escalation. This expression of appreciation recognizes the efforts of those involved in reaching this agreement and expresses hope for a future where peace and understanding prevail. Sardar Shoaib Irshad, General Secretary, Kashmir American Welfare Association, said the recent escalation between India and Pakistan brought the two neighbors countries to the brink of nuclear catastrophe. However, President Trump's mediation over renews focus on Kashmir after India-Pakistan clash risks broader war. Raja Liaquat Kiani, President Kashmir House, Washington, said that it was the ceasefire that ultimately saved the region from the nuclear catastrophe. It's timely to relay our collective thanks and gratitude for President Trump's willingness to mediate.